delivery truck of some kind. I'm assuming it's Amazon.
You too, thank you, man. Ow! Okay, haven't made a video in a while. As y'all can see, it's like impossible for me to make a video in the daytime, so. Alright, so. Oh yeah, that was cool. This is my Ola S75. It's bad. From a technical standpoint, it sounds like a steel. See, it's gasket mounted. It's got full cool RGB lighting. It's got a volume knob or whatever you want it to be. It's got 2-stage little feet here like that, you know. It's gasket mounted, as you can see, like, and it sounds really, really good. So, what's the issue with it? Well, I'll show you the issue. So that doesn't work. Let's try Alt-Tab so I can switch between tabs. Oh, that doesn't work either. So, here's the issue. My parents are like, you know, divorced, right? Like a lot of people, I hope. Oh, I'm so lonely. Okay, so look. I put my keyboard in here, right? Okay, and then all day, these keys are getting, like, pressed down like that, you know what I'm saying? Why is it tweaking, dude?
RGB window. Signal RGB.
What the?
Window.
I swear to God, dude, that was not scripted.
Scan images.
So if you go on any, like on the Amazon page, it says wireless hot swap mechanical gasket mounted keyboard. It has mechanical switches, but it uses magnetic sensing, Hall effect sensing. So they could technically get away with saying, it's mechanical, but it's actually not. So what that means is that it heavily relies on software to detect key presses. This is not good. What? Yes, I'm gonna leave you. Oh yeah, peep the setup. Dude. Hey, that's not too bad, alright? You know what I'm saying? Oh, it shook the camera. Oh yeah. Peep this, dude. This is the Lemmic EP1 Pro. Oh, that's beautiful, dude. Hallelujah. Oh. Sound test, because I'm not lame like other YouTubers. Gang, let's see if this is cool. Dog, I don't even know what connects to this, bro.